Dr. Jen joining us again now from Miami with a look at a medical question on your mind. This is an unusual one. I hadn't heard this. The question is from a viewer: is it an urban myth that poppy seed bagels can make you fail a drug test?
That is true, you guys.
Wow.
And we're talking about a urine toxicology test that looks for opiates or morphine, heroin, codeine metabolites. So there is an ingredient in poppy seeds that can cause you to test positive, depending, of course, on how much you eat and when you're tested. These metabolites can stay in your bloodstream and come out in your urine for about 2 days. And depending on the concentration, sometimes people could say, no, this is likely a low-level concentration. It's probably from a bagel, versus this is a high-level concentration. We better look for things like morphine and heroin. So that is true.
Okay, well, how many bagels are we talking about here, Dr. Ashton?
Listen, it depends. It depends on the size of the person and the concentration of their urine. But this is a fact, you guys, so good question.
We're talking one bagel?
Yeah.
In some cases, but you know, most of the time, no. One bagel is not going to be enough. But if you are regularly drug tested for your job, anyone will tell you to avoid a poppy seed bagel.
Just get that everything bagel, or just keep it plain, right?
Okay. Last follow-up.
Yeah, that's right. Scrape it off.
Last follow-up on this. The question is, God forbid you took a drug test at work and it came back positive. Is there any way you could go back and make an argument and they could test this, and you can make the argument, hey, I've been eating poppy seed bagels, so this is the reason?
Oh, I mean, of course. But again, there are some tests that will break out the concentration of codeine to morphine ratio. They'll look at the concentration of the opiate metabolite in the urine toxicology. But listen, if you're that worried, skip the bagel.
Wait, I have one more thing. Because if you can test positive for these, do poppy seeds actually have any sort of effect on you? A drug-like effect?
No, that is a good question, Amy. That's good pharmacology thinking, but no, the answer is no.
Okay.
I don't even eat bagels. And I had all these questions. Dr. Ashton, please save us with your prescription for wellness, please.
All right, you guys, you mentioned reporting from Miami today. I'm going to go check out Art Basel this weekend. So my prescription for wellness is about the benefits of art therapy. There is some literature on this in the world of psychology and mental health. What can it do? It can stimulate your brain, promote mindfulness, which is always a good thing. It can encourage self-expression, obviously on the part of the artist. And then in terms of creativity, yes, being creative and channeling your creative aspects definitely can help lower stress.
We should get an art set.
Well, yes, we are taking art classes this weekend, Dr. Ashton.
Thank you very much, Dr. Jen. You can submit your questions to us here at ABC GMA3.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.